Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious noodle soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your preferred protein, like thinly sliced chicken or tofu, and 2 cups of fresh, chopped vegetables such as bok choy or carrots. Don't forget aromatic herbs like ginger and garlic. Select a rich, flavorful broth, approximately 4 cups, and your favorite noodles, about 8 ounces. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's craft that incredibly flavorful broth. Begin by pouring about 4 cups of your chosen stock into a pot. Add 2 inches of sliced fresh ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Let this simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. A splash of soy sauce, perhaps 2 tablespoons, and a pinch of white pepper will enhance the depth. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to create a truly rich base. Next, we'll cook our noodles and protein. Boil your 8 ounces of noodles in a separate pot of water until they are perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Drain them well. For your protein, if using thinly sliced chicken or beef, you can quickly blanch it in the hot broth for about 2 minutes until just cooked through. Alternatively, you might pan-fry your protein for a different texture. Add your 2 cups of chopped vegetables in the last minute of simmering to keep them crisp. Finally, it's time to assemble and serve your delicious noodle soup. Divide the cooked noodles evenly among 4 serving bowls. Carefully ladle the hot, aromatic broth along with the cooked protein and vegetables over the noodles. For a beautiful finish, garnish with fresh cilantro, thinly sliced green onions, and a wedge of lime. You might also add a soft-boiled egg or a dash of chili oil for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.